Good morning. It's actually not morning, it's afternoon again. Homeschooling eats up a lot of our mornings lately, and I'm still kind of a mess. I haven't had a shower yet, so I need to take some pictures, some product photos of just a few things that I got done. I did not get as much done as I wanted this week, but I just have to work with what I have because yeah, it's just week 1, so anyway, we're gonna have to use this camera to take some photos now.